Welcome to the .NET PDF Library tutorial. In this video, I'll show how to work with PDF Conformance using the Syncfusion .NET PDF library. This video covers what PDF Conformance is, the supported types, and how to create PDFA1B, convert to PDFA, check the conformance level, and remove conformance from a PDF file. First, I'll explain PDF Conformance. It means that a PDF file follows a set of rules for specific purposes such as archiving, printing, or accessibility. The PDF conformance types supported by the Syncfusion PDF library are listed here. Next, I'll open an existing ASP.NET Core application, where the Syncfusion PDF.NET Core package is already installed. To start with the Syncfusion PDF library, check out the video link on the card above or in the description below. Now, let me show you how to create a PDFA1B document by clicking this button. First, I open the index.cs HTML file, remove the existing code, and add a button to create a PDF file. Next, I navigate to the Home Controller class to define the action method and import the required namespaces for this example. Then, I define an action method with the return type, iActionResult. Inside this action method, I create a new PDF document instance with the conformance level set to PDFA1B. After that, I add a new page to the document and create PDF graphics. To draw text using a custom font, I load a TrueType font from a local file using a file stream. Then, I create a PDF font instance by passing this stream with the font size. Next, I draw the text on the PDF page using the drawString method, specifying the font, brush color, and position. Once the content is added, I create a memory stream and save the document into that stream. I set the stream position to the beginning. Lastly, I close the document and return the file for download by specifying the stream, content type, and file name. Now, I'll save and run the application. When I click the button, the PDF will download. As you can see, the document is created with the PDFA1B conformance level. Next, I will show how to convert an existing PDF document to PDFA1B. To begin with, I add a button to convert the PDF. Next, I install two NuGet packages, SkiaSharp for font substitution and Syncfusion PDF Imaging Net Core for image processing required during PDFA conversion. I define an action method with the return type, iActionResult. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance to load the existing PDF file. I then create a PDF loaded document instance and load the file stream into it. After loading the PDF document, I handle font substitution by subscribing to its substitute font event. This is essential during PDF to PDFA conversion, as non-embedded fonts must be embedded to meet compliance. The event is triggered when the document contains fonts that are not embedded. Then, I implement the substitution logic in the loaded document substitute font event handler. I retrieve the font name and style from the event arguments, based on the detected style, such as bold, italic, or bold italic. I create the corresponding SK font style using SkiaSharp. Then, I load the font using SK typeface, open its stream, read the font data into a memory stream, and assign it to the event argument's font stream property. Once the fonts are handled, I call the convert to PDFA method on the loaded document and set the conformance level to PDFA1B. Next, I define a helper method, createFileResult. Inside this method, I save the converted document into a memory stream, reset its position to the beginning, and close it. Finally, I return the stream as a downloadable file. When I click the button, the PDF is downloaded. As you can see, the document is converted to the PDF A1B conformance level. Next, let me show you how to check the conformance level of an existing PDF document. First, I add a button to check the conformance level. Then, I define the action method with the return type, iActionResult. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance to load the existing PDF document. Next, I create a PDF loaded document instance and load the file stream into it. Once the document is loaded, I retrieve its conformance level using the conformance property of the loaded document. I close the loaded document to release resources. Finally, I return the conformance level as a JSON response. When I click the button, the conformance level of the PDF will be displayed. Lastly, I will show you how to remove the conformance from an existing PDF document. First, I will add a button to remove the conformance. Then, I define the action method with the return type iActionResult. Inside this method, I create a file stream instance to load the existing PDF document. After that, I create a PDF loaded document instance and load the file stream into it. Once the document is loaded, I call the remove conformance method, which clears the conformance level from the loaded PDF. Then, I invoke the create file result method to return the updated document as a downloadable file. When I click the button, the PDF is downloaded. As you can see, it no longer has the conformance level. That's a wrap. In this video, I've shown you how to work with PDF Conformance using the Syncfusion .NET PDF library. You can download this video's working example from the GitHub link in the description below. I've also shared a link to learn about obtaining a free license key to use our file format libraries if you are eligible for our community license. If you found this video useful, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.